Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe, period. So this hair is from Gorgius Hair. This hair is the 14-inch Afro fringe wig. I cannot explain how simple and easy it is to just install this hair. This hair mimics natural hair perfectly. I love the fact that this hair has the fringe because it helps to kind of protect your hair. You don't need a closure. You don't need to leave your hair out. It's such a protective style and such a protective wig. And I love the fact that it mimics natural 4C hair perfectly. Like this hair is literally my hair if it had like more volume to it and more length, of course. But yeah, so I'm just trying to define my hair. I'm spraying a little bit of water. This hair is really thick and really full, so you just need a little bit of water. You really don't need too much water. I'm applying a generous amount because I wanted to just smoothen out all the kinks in the hair because I wanted it to have kind of like a flowy look. Of course, I dried my hair out and it also kind of like took like a weird form. So I went back in with my spray bottle and I sprayed the hair with some water. So applying water just gives you a lot of control with the hair and allows you to kind of define the hair in the way that you want it to look, right? It's not just all over the place and just kind of like settle. The water allows for more movement and this hair is so bouncy and so full. Like, look at the close-up of this hair. Like, I think this wig is very well made. I have no complaints whatsoever. It's very thick, very bouncy, very full. I love the fringe. I love the fact that it just protects my hair. I don't have to leave any hair out. I wanted to have the fringe a little bit defined, so I just applied a little bit more water in the fringe area to kind of define the curls and to make it pop a little bit so that that area is like super defined. For me, I'm using my Denman brush to kind of define my curls and I'm fluffing it out, and I'm just telling you guys, this hair is so beautiful. Like, I was feeling myself. This is my new favorite everyday wig. Like, I just grab this wig like so often now. I just love the length. I love the fullness. I love the style of it. I didn't have to do much. Again, this hair is just perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.